Today we're going to walk through our lineup of meat sous vides. So we're going to go through product features and kind of what you can expect when you get your sous vide. We have two models. We have the Sous Vide 10 and the Sous Vide 4. First thing you're going to do when you get your Sous Vide 10 is it's going to come with just this unit. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a container. You're going to fill that container with the unit unplugged. So pretty much you want to get your water level to, there is an indicator line on the unit itself and there's a min and max. So you want the water to be in between that. If your water level is not in between that, you're going to get an indication that says H2O on your unit, and that means you need to add water or subtract water. So you really want to keep those levels in between the lines. Once you have your water level correctly, you're going to plug in your unit. Once you plug in your unit, you're going to hit the power button on the Sous Vide 10, and you're going to notice a few things when it first turns on. First, you're going to notice this top line. This top line is the current temperature of the water that your sous vide is in. The second line is your desired temp. And the third is your desired alarm time. Walking through some of these buttons, the first thing you're gonna do when you wanna set for a cook time is you're gonna hit this time temp button, and your temperature is gonna, your set temp is gonna toggle up and down. So today we're gonna set it for 132, just because we're doing steaks and we want to kind of have it in that medium to medium rare. Next, you're gonna hit that time temp again. It's gonna say set time, and we're gonna do this for, let's actually do this for an hour. Once you have that set, you're actually going to hit the start button over here. Don't forget to do that. So when you hit the start button, you're going to see two icons. A flame icon, which is saying that your temperature is set, and then you're going to see a rotating fan icon that is going to let you know that the water is circulating. So if you kind of look into the water, you can actually see some of the water moving. While this heats up, we're going to go through the Sous Vide 4. Once this temperature gets to your desired temp, you're going to hear a tone, and that's going to let you know that you're ready to start sous vide. Over here we have the Sous Vide 4. Same principles as you're going through. You're going to fill your water temp between the min and max. Then you're going to plug in your unit. There are attachment points for this so that you can attach to any container. We have these containers on our website. Going through this, there is a key icon, and that's how you're going to set your temp. You're going to see that right now this is reading that the water is 71 degrees. So I'm going to go and I want to set this for that same desired 132. Let's actually do this one a little bit more done. So let's go to 134. I'm going to hit the key button again to set my timer, and I'm going to let this one go for a little bit longer. So let's say 2.5 hours. And then I'm going to hit this triangle button. That is your start or pause. So now that it's started, you'll want to look into your container and make sure that you see that the water is circulating. Now that our sous vides are up to temp, they gave us an indicator tone to let us know that the timer is going to start. So now, last thing we need to do is drop a few steaks in here. So we'll drop one in there. And while you're waiting for your steaks to cook, be sure to check out more information on how to sous vide for tips and tricks, any recipes on our Recipes and Meat 101 page on meetyourmaker.com.